you know how to play Candyland. It's a game that can easily be used to practice vocabulary with children using the Unity program. The game board is familiar to us with its colored spaces. After a player draws a colored card, she moves her piece to the next matching colored space on the board. In the Unity program, different parts of speech are color-coded. Pronouns are yellow, verbs are green, adjectives are blue, and nouns are orange. Do you see where I'm going with this? You can easily use Candyland to practice pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and nouns. What about the purple and red spaces on the Candyland game board? What do you do when you draw a purple or red card? I like to use purple for prepositions and red for question words, but you can use those colors for any other part of speech, such as adverbs, interjections, determiners, or conjunctions. When supporting a beginning communicator, replace the standard game cards with cards that show your target vocabulary. My target vocabulary with this set of cards are core words that are said with only a 2-icon sequence. Let me show you how I would play the game. I'll be using Unity 36 Sequenced. It's a program I use with a toddler I support, and he does his best visually when icon prediction is set at white. To play, we each take our turn drawing a card, moving to the colored space that matches the part of speech color code, and then saying the word. I'm playing red, and the toddler is playing blue.
It's your turn. Let's draw a card. You've got the word book. Book is an orange word. Orange words are nouns. So you're going to move your marker to the orange one. Up the ladder, and you need to say the word book.
Book.
You said book. You like to
Read. Books.
I got the word make. Make is a verb. It's an action word that's green. So I'm going to move my guy to green and say the word
Make.
As this toddler masters that set of words, I'm prepared to provide different visual supports to expand his vocabulary. This visual shows additional adjectives in the Unity 36 program that might require a longer icon sequence.
Now we're using the regular cards. See? You go first. Blue. You know the word good, but let's see if we can do the word great.
Great.
Yes.
Eventually, I hope that we can play the game without the use of any visual supports.
You're doing so well. You don't need any visual supports anymore. Let's just play it the regular way. You go first. You've got 2 green. All right, give me 2 green words. You know those are verbs.
Drink.
Give me another one.
Turn.
That's right. Drink and turn are verbs. They're green words. I got purple. We like talking about flying purple prepositions. So I'm going to move mine to purple, and I'm going to stop at prepositions. Which purple one? Well, I'm going to use this word under because it's got some purple in it.
Under.
I hope that gave you some ideas for how to use Candyland. For Candyland game cards, go to my store at Teachers Pay Teachers.